So today I'm going to be sorting rear camber out on a Subaru hatchback STI. Take it from this I don't think camera really picks it up how bad it actually is. It didn't really do it justice. I'll give it a shot. Truthfully, I wasn't sure if these camber arms would fix it, it's that bad. Pretty bad. So I'm gonna change rear camber arms, or should I say install rear camber arms. These STIs don't come with them. So we've gone for white line kit. Basically, they replace these arms here and gear camber adjustment there. We've installed tin coilovers, but there's no camber adjustability to be able to straighten it up. So let's make a start. So once you've got it jacked up, get it on some jack stands and it sills. Take wheels off, both sides obviously. And you're going to want to come underneath, and where your arms are, you want to crack this bolt loose, 17mm, and a nut on back side, 17mm. Same again, all 17s, crack them loose. Once you've done that, take bolts out, the arm should come off, and then we'll put the new ones on. So I'll set you up while I do that. I have already cracked these loose, so don't be alarmed. All four. Pull bolts out. It's always fun, isn't there? It's got it. So on yours you will also have a sensor using these bolts up. I am replacing this sensor at the minute, I'm waiting for it to come in. So yeah, just bear that in mind, you'll have that to take off as well. I believe it's a light level sensor, and it's got a bolt there and it just like clips in there sort of thing. Just undo that, undo your little connector, and then it should come off. But the old arm and the new arm, difference wise, up here, so you can see where it kind of comes round here for your camber bolt. I believe they're stronger because it's got a bit more strength into it. It does feel a bit more heavier, the white line one, so I believe it is a bit stronger. But yeah, same again, just bolts back through and let's get it installed, and then exactly the same other side. Let's do it. So all I did there was just got this side in, and then I put the nut on the back side, shoved it through. This one roughly in place. I'm going to now get this lined up with the hub and the camber arm bolt through, get that in place, leave everything loose for a minute, and then get rest of bolts through. It should line up pretty good. Just a bit awkward to film. But it is pretty straightforward. If I can do it, anyone can. So don't do that. on, just nice and loose. You will also have spare nut and bolt from the Camber bolt. So they do come with a kit, and you want a washer, Camber washer, on either side. One up back, one up front. So yeah, you just want to tighten them up, which I'll do now, and then just repeat other side. Again, I don't know how to torque them, I don't know torque settings. I just kind of do them tight, make sure they're tight. Other than that, you should be good. So I'll show you the end result. So once you've got it to this stage, wheels back on both sides, and you've got both sides on, and you've tightened everything down, make sure everything's tight. It wants to be tight. You can then leave these nuts loose, your actual Camber bolts, leave them loose. But still loose, mine, right? And you want to lower the car down, and while it's at ride height, you can then adjust each wheel roughly to where it needs to be. But bearing in mind, when you adjust your camber, it might throw your toe out, so it's always recommended to go get an alignment once you've got them like somewhat near. So I'm going to drop it down off jack now, and we'll roughly get it in place and see results. So that's it, all finished up, everything's tight. I've got wheels as close as I can to being straight, same with towing. Can't really tell on camera, but I've got them as close as I can until I can get an alignment properly done on it. The arms look sick. So much better. All that you should have left, 2 bolts, and the old arms. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one.